wonder if that's a warning. Flashing and say shit at us.
That's close.
I think one on this side to make it.
Come on up right here in front of us. No way. That was awesome.